Start with a slip knot. And work a foundation chain in any number in multiples of 4 plus 5. Okay, I've gone ahead and worked my foundation chain. Slip stitch in the second stitch from the hook. Make a slip stitch. To make a slip stitch, you insert the hook into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through that stitch and through the loop on the hook. So that's 2. So 2 more. So that's 1 and 2. Okay, so that's 4 slip stitches at the beginning of the row. Now we're going to make 4 half double crochet. To make a half double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, then pick up the yarn and pull it through all 3 loops on the hook. So yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through all 3 loops on the hook. So that's 2. I need 2 more. So this is 3 and 4. Okay, so 4 slip stitches, 4 half double crochet, and I'm going to repeat that all the way across the row. So now I need 4 slip stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now 4 half doubles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Like that. 4 slip stitch, 4 half double, 4 slip stitch, 4 half double. You're going to work all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. Now at the end of the row, I'm going to chain 1 and turn. So I'm going to work 4 half double crochets here and 4 slip stitch here. So to make a half double crochet, yarn around the hook, and I'm only going to work in the back side of the stitch. So my first half double crochet, that's 1, find the back loop, 2, find the back loop, 3, and you have to roll the work over to see that back loop. There's my 4th half double. Now I'm going to make 4 slip stitch. So again, find the back loop and slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now 4 half doubles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now I have 4 half doubles. I'm going to work 4 slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 half doubles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now it's 4 slip stitch. 1, and these are slip stitches, so I have 4 half doubles. And the last stitch is a little bit difficult to find, so move that to the front. And there's the loop, so you can just stretch it out a bit with your hook and finish your last half double crochet. And that's how that first row looks. you're going to chain 2 to get started, and you're going to double crochet 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to make a double crochet decrease. To make a double crochet decrease, yarn around the hook, insert into the next stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, then pick up the yarn and pull it through 2. Now yarn around the hook, go into the next stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, and then pick up the yarn and pull it through 2. You're going to have 3 loops on your hook. Pick up the yarn, pull it through all the 3 loops on the hook, and now you will have 1 double crochet where there used to be 2 stitches. So it's double crochet 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and now I'm going to make my double crochet decrease. So into the next stitch and pull up the yarn, pull through 2. Yarn around the hook, into the next stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. You have 3 loops, pick up the yarn, pull it through all 3 loops. Like that. You're going to go ahead and do that all the way around the opening on both the top and the bottom of the garment. And after you have your double crochets worked all the way around the top, you're going to find the center of your front and back, and you're going to leave the following amount of space open in the front and the back. The front and the back sections are exactly the same. To make the straps, start with a foundation chain in the following numbers, or if you need longer or shorter straps, any number of foundation chain. And when you have your foundation chain the correct length, you're going to single crochet in the second stitch from the hook, and in each stitch all the way across the chain. All the way across the chain. Okay, once you have your row of single crochet, you're going to chain 2 and turn, and then you're going to work double crochets all across the row. So that chain 2 takes the place of the first double crochet. So you're going to start your first double crochet here, and that is the 4th stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start your double crochet in that 4th stitch and work double crochets all the way across the row. All the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row making double crochets. Now I'm going to chain 2 and turn, and then I'm going to make a front post double crochet in the next stitch and a regular double crochet in the next. So to make a front post double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert under the post of the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, and then complete the double crochet. In the next stitch, you're going to make a regular double crochet, and then a front post double crochet, and a regular double crochet. And you're going to repeat that across the row, front post, and then a regular double crochet, like that, all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row, and that's what that looks like. And for the last row, I'm going to chain 1 and turn, and I'm going to single crochet again. You start in the 2nd stitch from the hook, and I'm going to single crochet in every stitch all the way across the row, and that will be all you need to know to make the straps, like that. So go all the way across the row working single crochet. And there you go, I finished working this strap. And you could either use this side as the outside, or you can use this side as the outside. And I've threaded my yarn end into a needle, and then you're going to take your strap and you're going to position it where you have your marker to mark off the opening in the front. Like that, and you can just match the stitches. Like that, and then you can just weave your yarn back into the finished work and then sew the other end of the strap onto the back of the work. If you like this video, please click like, as it helps in the YouTube algorithm.